Greetings everyone. Presenting to you today is a mobile application we developed for the project compliance to this subject, ITE 301, Application Development and Emerging. I, Catherine Desena, System Designer and Document Writer, may pass the presentation to Adrian Alvarez.
I'm Adrian Alvera and I am the UI designer of our mobile application system. So our mobile application system, UPang DTR, is built for registering the scholars' information and viewing their daily time record for those who have duty on offices or as a facilitator. Since the mobile application system is only used for viewing students' daily time record, it does not cover the all crude feature, but it still covers the creation for student account and updating their information since the website where it is for admin controls the data on the mobile application. So this is our login page where if the user doesn't input anything and press login button, it will show a message where email is required. It shows also an error message if the inserted account is not yet registered. It shows also an error message if the inserted account is not yet registered. So the user must create their own account to be able to access the mobile app. When the user taps the create account, it will go to the register page where the user input and creates their own account. It includes the email, which is the Gmail account, the student ID, full name of the user, year, course, contact number, and their password. So when the user taps the back button, it will show a pop-up message where if the user wants to cancel the process of creating an account. But in this presentation, we will proceed to the main page of the application. As you can see in the home page, it displays the scholar's daily time record. We have the date, time in, time out, and the total hours of duty. So these data came from the website, which is the admin of the UPang e-scholar tracker. The admin is the one who input those daily time record data, and those data is retrieved in the mobile app. You can also see that there is a selection drop-down for semester and months. When the first semester is selected, the month will start from June to October. And for second semester, the month will start at November to March. When selecting a certain month, example, January, so it will show the record from the month of January, but if But if when selecting a month that doesn't have record yet, it will show nothing. So as for the account page, it displays the fetch data came from the database where the information's inserted from the creation of the account. So when the user tap the back button, it will show a message if the user wants to exit the app. But when the user reopen again the application, the student or the user don't go logging in anymore unless they press the logout button on the account page. So I will re-enter the created account, and the explanation for the updating of the user's information will be continued by Mr. Ivan Desigan, the system integrator.
I am Ivan Desigan, and I am the system integrator of our team. So I will explain the editing or updating user information in the account page. So first, when the user taps the back button, it will prompt a message where if the user wants to cancel the editing. Wants to cancel the editing of their user account. The same goes for the arrow icon representing the return button. So in this edit profile page, the user can edit all the details entered previously on creating the account. The user can upload the picture came from the gallery of their phone as an added information. So I will try to edit all the details to update and change the email and password. Then after editing all the details and save it, it will show a prompt message of when the profile is updated. So as you can see, all the details including the user picture is already updated in the account activity. So tap the logout and test the new updated email and password as you. So I successfully logged in the updated email and password. So I will show also the about button. It displays the overview of the application. And that's all of the mobile application system. So that's all for the mobile application UPang DTR.